it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh my god. Hi.
Hi. We have made a spontaneous decision to go to Dublin.
Dublin?
Well, you're coming?
Would you like to go to Dublin?
Dublin.
I do have school, but I'll go anyway. Oh, that was like Liverpool.
It reminds me of nah, it's not funny.
Nah, it's not funny, I've got school.
Nah, it's not fun, I've got school.
Girls take on Dublin.
Take on Dublin.
Pageant girl tour. Pageant girl tour take on Dublin. And I think we'll
girls
get
act
any
like-
Miss Teen.
Yeah.
Pints to get in.
Pageant girls act like non-pageant girls for a day.
Silence movies, sex on TV. We should like get Irish lingo up.
They say like, Doherty, that is keck.
Doherty.
I think so, yeah. I might have made that up.
That's good crack. That's good crack.
That's good crack.
Right. I'm gonna get some up now.
Irish. 2 Irish lasses.
I can't do an Irish.
Last season, last.
I used to be really good at like accents when I was a kid. Tell me more and I go home and I still think I go so alone. Egypt. Giving out.
That's some good crack you got. Anyway, are you from Dublin? No, that's crazy because I'm from Tipperary.
Tipperary. There's the fast Irish and there's just the Irish you don't understand.
I can talk really fast if I need to, so I'll just be fine. I'll just keep waffling like this and they won't even know that I'm not even lying. Have you seen Maura from Love Island?
Yes. Oh, I love her.
Curtis is so sexy. The things I would do to that man. I got fanny flashes.
How would she say
thinking
that about
about
Curtis?
it.
Out
I
of
know.
all the people. Oh, that's good. That's good. I'm too shy.
What if I tell everyone I'm Maura from Love Island?
Do you know what? I reckon I believe you. Alright guys, how you doing? Do you know any ladies around here?
Alright guys, how you doing?
Wait, he's got like a northern. Is this northern where it's they're like?
Maybe I'm just bad at it.
I think that's 7 minutes of accents. I made it to Terminal 2. I can't do it. I
made it to Terminal 2?
Terminal 2. We're feeding the camera before ourselves.
Wait.
What have you got yourself?
A little vegan breakfast.
Slay. And then I got a shakshuka, I think it's called. I just,
Is that what it's called?
I think I'm just not really thrilled.
Hey guys. Just drowned ourselves in perfume, random perfume because you couldn't bring mine. Hopefully it lasts
Make
till
sure we smell nice. If not, we're gonna have to find a Boots in Dublin.
Bag should be stowed in the area underneath the station factory. Items stowed in the overhead locker should be pushed well into the locker in order to prevent them falling out and causing injury when the locker is reopened.
So we took a nap and we almost didn't make it.
No, we were enjoying that.
I was worried that we weren't gonna make it, to be honest, but it's not like guided. I don't know. I guess we go up.
We try the technique. Raise your glasses all nice and high. Continue your tour. We'll have to say our goodbyes. We head for the doors over on the left hand side. And up the very top of the room over here we have gold trays. Just pop your glasses and pull those as you make your way out. We do all hope you have a lovely rest of your day. And thank you very much.
Dressed as Guinness. Cosplaying as a Guinness. We are on in a horse and carriage.
We're in this random museum.
I just saw this door behind us and our feet went in. So I was like, let's go in. There's a whole deer behind us. Oh dear. The light is so bad.
god, we're not looking as good as we did all the other times.
Terrible. Oh, I can't. It's definitely the camera.
Very welcome aboard the Airline Express service CI17.
We're on the plane. We're on the plane. We're on the plane. I've got an Irish accent now. I picked it up. Yeah, guys, how pretty is this?
When you said how pretty is this, I expected you to turn the camera at me.
Guys, look at the view.
All the appliances are available. You're available aboard as the
Oh, guys, look at the view. Wait, can you turn it?
Yeah, put that down.
like that.
And then
That's crazy. Love it. Right.
So I've dropped Maisie off at the train station now. I'm getting ready for my birthday dinner.
Oh, just 21 now.
21 again. Can I open this? This is the documents. This paper. Is it another birthday card?
Oh, that's really cool actually, yeah.
That's really
I had to look at it. It just tell you how, when you want to spend more.
You could have put my birthday card in. Oh, thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, it's so pretty. Smile. Spots, and I've really been suffering recently. So I've got like soda cream all over my face, and I've got these little patches, and I think they're really cute and fun. I look such a mess, but I wanted to do an unboxing, and I got my mum to record me opening it up. But like I felt it was just in the moment, so I don't know how much of that footage is going to be great. But I thought I'd just show you. So obviously it came with a ribbon. Finally going back, just in case you're not entertained by this, just zoom in on the back and you got some quality television. Okay. This book comes with it, I think. It's kind of like a catalogue or something, I don't know. This, what comes in here? I think this is like the receipt. That's me. So, I forgot what this bag's called. It's like the Bologna bag. This like I just love the fact that it's got this little like chain detailing in it. It's just perfect. Like it's a good size. I haven't seen many people have this, but this is a style that's in. I'm gonna call it bolognese because I don't know how to pronounce that.